So I'm over here just minding my own business, building, you know, shack in the woods with the kids or whatever. I keep hearing this crunching and this noise down. I don't know if you can see, but right there, Uncle Adam's on a four-wheeler. What he's doing? Building another road in. He must have gave up. Pretty thick and steep down through there. Pretty steep.
I can make it.
Hey guys, well, my camera was dead when we came up here, and we managed to get a whole bunch of stuff done without turning this thing on, and I'm sorry for that, but we started building a little pad the other day. Actually, it was Thursday night, it was dark. I didn't have my camera, but we had a little generator up here and a light, and we were digging on Adam. There's a deadfall over there. Adam's trimming all the branches off of it so we can use it for this, but all these dead trees up here we found really good lumber for this. So we didn't have quite enough room up there, and that dirt is so hard, we're totally done digging on it. So we just use these deadfalls, and we're building a raised area out here, so we'll be able to put at least 3 pallets this direction. And yeah, anyways, so we're gonna lay some more trees across here, lash this all together, and go from there. Just wanted to catch you up a little bit. A little bit of progress anyways. We went to the dunes yesterday, and we built a bum hut over there on the beach. A little bit of beach craft. It was a good time. What do you guys think? You like the beach?
Yeah.
The kids are up here campgrounding the crap out of this place. Whoa! Ooh, yeah, the sun, huh?
And the skirt is warm.
Yeah, it is. Well, a few more hours, well, a couple hours more into this, and we got a frame. Need to trim all this off. But we got floor plan out here too. Trying to decide if we should do 2 more pallets or not. We gotta flatten some of that stuff out, twist the logs, get the right combination. But we got a basic floor plan. Be careful on there. You don't fall through like Ashton did. And I'll nail all these together. Put some more slats in there to fill up the spots.
Yeah.
And then we can start building walls.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Getting there.
I'm doing it.
And trim some more branches off up here.
I am doing it.
Yeah, you are. Good job.
I am too.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Anyways, doing pretty good so far. I'll catch you up in a little bit. Okay, guys, here we go again. We got quite a bit done. I'm not good at filming. I really don't like everyone watching me work, believe it or not. Freaks me out a little bit, but I like showing you the progress. I like showing you us enjoying it. But here we go. Gonna walk up in the top, which is gonna be like the front door. We got all our stuff covered up in here. If it rains, it doesn't rain on it. But nice little friggin' floor plan going on in here. Got the first row of walls done, except for, of course, that one. But I just brought more pallets up from the bottom of the hill. It's kind of difficult to get them up. This looks really flat in videos, I know, but it's not. It's, I mean, it's not flat. I'll show you the Jeep. That shows you. I mean, so yeah. It's pretty unflat, so that's why we had to do all that weird stuff to build it up in the front, like scaffold it up. Pretty dang steep.
I want to make sandcastles.
But it's dirt. How you gonna make sandcastles? It's dirt. But that's it for today. I'll probably make a video out of this. This was fun. We had a lot of fun this weekend building stuff. Anyways, see you later.